Today is the 30th of October, 2021. We have Solkikuja 10, staircase F, Kone. And there are actually only two elevators in this building, here in F and in staircase E.
Yeah.
The capacity is 4 persons, so 325 grams. And it's great that we're filming them now because they're planning to replace this. We don't know when, but it's completely unnecessary. The four floors here built by Kone with all elements fixtures in 1995. 25 years old, and next year 2020, and the same number is 67973. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022, with 4 floors. And this is Myyrmäki, Länsi Vantaa, Western Vantaa, in the Helsinki Sports Region, Uusimaa, Finland. I like the smell.
Same here.
Oh yeah.
Inspekteert parkeringsroute, ik denk balkon.
Ja. Possibly early 1995.
Yeah.
Very much watching. That's it.
That's it.